Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. I'm so excited because look, I've got yarn. This is what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting a long time for this. Now in here is some stuff for me and some stuff for my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk. That should be a delivery note that makes no sense whatsoever. Are you waiting for this? I've got some, oh, I don't know what I've done. Why is that doing that? I'll tell you what I can do. Let me shut my computer down because I'm leaning on something. No, it doesn't matter. Okay, yeah, so I've got some hooks in here and some of these are for me to trial, and well, I don't know what I'm going to do with them really, but I wanted to see what they were like. Let's get them out and have a little look. So, you know, I always wanted to try dots. These look like they've got leprosy. I'll show you what I mean. I have no idea if this is what dots are like, but they've got bumps. Whoa. And let's put some specs on. Let's have a little bit of a light on the subject. What does this say? G 4.5. So here it is. You've got a place to hold it or a place to do this if you're one of those. If you're one of those. But I would be okay holding it like that. I know some people don't like the grips like this if they are, but look at that. They're kind of warty, aren't they? So I've got these. I've got a whole pack of warty hooks. And yeah, are they a whole pack or are they 4.5s? I might have got several of you know, I might have got several of one size to put in my shop. In fact, I did. They're 4.5s. I thought they'd be like more than that. What's this one? It's got to be, no, it's a 4.5. They're all 4.5. So obviously I've got these for my shop, and also so that I can maybe pop them in people's orders. I like to pop things in, but I can't always give crochet hooks away because I don't know if the person who's ordering from me is a knitter or a crocheter. And I got some larger hooks as well with floral designs on, and I'm going to give them a try as well. But I've got a couple of sets of these, so yeah, I just wanted to see what they were like, if they were okay. But yeah, lots of 4.5s. Do you remember a little while ago I did a giveaway in my shop with a voucher code? You could get a free hook. I might do that again, we'll see, I don't know. So remember this is what I've been waiting for. This, the Fairyland. We have Fairyland in hobbyrocks.co.uk. So I did get some for myself and I did swatch it. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. Look at all those colours. That's dreamy. Very, very, very dreamy. Fairyland. It is beautiful. Fairyland. So if you've not come across this before, where have you been? Because I have actually blended air yarn, 100 grams to 45 meters, long distance yarn cake ball, 100 grams cake, and we've got hand wash, dry flat. Looks like a cool iron, but I wouldn't even try. It says 2.5 to a 4 millimeter, like two. Oh, hang on, the 2.5 millimeter needles or a 4 millimeter crochet hook makes no sense at all. Doesn't. make sense at all. It's a good size strand. I think I used a 4.5 because I did swatch it. I bought some for myself and I swatched it, and I did say I was going to get some for my shop, so I have this colour, and I should have a fair bit of this. Is that the same one? Looks the same. So pretty. They're all individually wrapped, these. It's hard to get into this box, but wow, look at that. I think some of them are more pastel, if you know what I mean. There might be other colours in here as well, so let's just get them out and have a look. It's gorgeous. I really love it. I was desperate to get it for my shop. Really wanted to stock it. It's been packed in here, so it will get its shape back. Oh, see, I ordered some for me, not all for shop, but I wanted to give this one a try. You'll know why as soon as you see it, because you know how much I love blue yarn. How gorgeous is that? That's so nice. This looks fatter, the strand. It's not though, just the way it's wound up on there. But look, that beautiful. That is gorgeous. There's some lighter blues going on there as well. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So we have some, I won't put it back in that scrunchy bag because we have it in here. So I have a couple of blues. I don't know what I'll put in the shop, and what I'll be saying is my precious and stealing. That is yet to be decided. That one's got orange in the middle of there. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so good. I love it. I really do. I loved it when I swatched it. So far though, I think we've got all the same, apart from the blues, all the same colours. Oh no, what is this one? These are mauve. We've got kind of purpley mauve, like dusky purple mauve ones. Ooh. Oh, moody colours. Ready for this? Look at those. Aren't they lovely? That's pretty. They're all really moody colours on there. They've got sort of a silver and those kind of mauvey colours. I love that. That's really nice. I've got a couple of them. Put those. Where did I put the blue ones? There. Put them down there. What else have we got? More of this one. It will get its shape back. We'll go backwards, we'll go over that way. And more. I did order quite a bit for it, for the shop, because I really love it. So pretty. Love the yellow. If you haven't seen my swatch, I did a gigantic swatch to see how it would go. And then I decided, actually, have it right here. Bear with me a second, guys, because I've been doing it as a big blanket. There's my wool genie with it on, and this was how I swatched it, and then I've been carrying on with it as a blanket. But look how beautiful that is. It's so good. It's so soft. It's really lovely. So yeah, I will carry on with that. Let me put landslide. Let me put that over there with that. Okay, I'll get that in a minute. It's in its cellophane. It's not going to come too packed tight, which is why it's gone shape, isn't it? Just gorgeous. I'm not sure if there are different colours in amongst this, or if it all is the same. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh wow. Okay. A feeling that I'd ordered different yarn as well, but whether I put it back, I did spend quite a bit. Oh wow. And there's more. I'm going to take it out of all this crunchy cellophane Look at that one. That is so good. I've got an extra bit. That's so, oh wow. It's lovely. It is. So let me see. It's mostly this, but wow, that is a pretty one there. Look at the colours. That is just gorgeous. Really love it. It is so good. And more. I think we're getting towards the bottom. Another one. Are we in the bottom? We are. Phew. So I'm going to start popping them back. They won't fit because they've stuffed that in. But yeah, I've got the dusky mauvey ones to give them a go. Oh, that is just so pretty. Look at that. Is that the same as mine? Wow. So I've got lots to try. Lots to try. Oh, wow. It's breathtaking, isn't it? So yeah, I have no idea yet about putting it in the shop. There's one down there. Let's get it. Field trip. Field trip. Oh, wow. So yeah, we'll just pop them in there. But I'm intrigued with these hooks. They're gigantic. They are big. Let's see what we've got in these packs. I'm sorry, I did start showing the hooks, didn't I? And then I thought like yarn, yarn, yarn. Put the hooks down, get the yarn. So here we are. These are big hooks, like big sizes. And they are different this time. So they are the aluminium ones. We've got an 8mm. They've got a nice long neck, which I like, especially with the bigger hooks. So that's a 6.5. But look at the length. Great length, that is. A 10mm. Again, good length. And a 7. And we have a 9. So I like those. They're nice and floral as well. Look how pretty. Oops, I dropped one. I caught it. Reflexes. Look at those. Oh, they're nice. They really are. So I have a couple of sets of those. Well, I'm interested in the lumpy ones. I don't know what to do with them yet. I am going to use one and see how it works up. Now these have got a lot less length. A lot less length. As you can see, it's kind of a bit short there. Some of them, are they all the same? They don't look the same, but they actually are. It's quite deceiving. But, you know, I don't know what dots are like, or whether they are like lumpy. You guys who can get hold of dots will have to tell me. But these are all a 4.5mm, so I will be doing something with those at some point. Wow, but I'm so excited. This yarn is astonishing. It is beautiful. And there were one of my subscribers, when I said I was going to get this, she said that she's looking forward to it because she was going to buy some. I don't know if it was Amazon that she was going to get it from, but she's going to get it from somewhere. And the price that they were going to charge her, it was ridiculous. It really was absolutely extortionate. So I haven't checked out how much this has cost me with all of the shipping and if I've got customs on it and all that stuff yet, but I'm going to I can't get it in. Look at it now. This is it was just so packed tight. And there's all those ones on there as well. There's those 2 blue ones and the 2 mauve ones. But there, I've got to get this one out. We'll get this one and have a good look. They do have numbers on, so I can go through them and see if they are, oh, wow, same number. Look at those colours. That's just beautiful, isn't it? That is so pretty. It's gorgeous, in fact. Wow. I'm glad I found it. And I know I can get more. This is just a little experiment. And We'll see how it goes. Anyway, guys, that is what I got. Let me know what you think. I love it. That's all I can say. It's just so, I'm so excited actually. And I mean, I've had this yarn for a couple of weeks now and I've been using it, as you see. I've still got some more of my own yarn, but I'm just so excited by this. And the blue. When I first found this yarn, there was lots and lots of different colours in it. Lots of colours. But where I get it from, you can't get all of those colours. You can get the purpley one, you can get this one, and some, well, murky kind of colours. But I've got the best of the colours. There are other yarns there though that I was going to give a try, but I did ram up the cost a little bit at the time. So next, I thought I'd left a couple in there to try them, but obviously I hadn't. I thought, you know, leave 1 or 2 in and then you'll know if you like it to order it next time. It takes a while to come, but it is lovely. And where's the purpley one? There it is. It's kind of a darker, moody colour. It's not bright and vibrant like the others, but it is nice. You can see those colours there. It is good. It's nice. Anyway, there is a limit to the amount of times you want to hear me say the word nice. I know. So I'm going to get off, upload my video and start researching this yarn. Take me a while to get it all done and upload it and all that stuff. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you all on the next one. Take care. Bye for now.